Welcome to step 6 of the hamburger method. This is where we get to shake your booty for science. So, why is it fabulous? Your body has a system that runs alongside your blood system, which is called your lymphatic. You may have heard of it before. And your lymphatic system needs movement like a performer needs applause. So the lymphatic system is critically important because it's the vacuum cleaner of the body. It does amazing things. And this is the reason why sitting is the new smoking. So when we sit, the lymphatic system has no pump to move the lymph around your lymph nodes in your system. And so it's not able to do its job. And that's why sitting is so detrimental to our health. So when do we need to do this? After you've hugged yourself silly and gargled and sighed and done all of the wonderful things. Now, I'm going to give you several ways to do this. And it's going to depend on your capacity. So you can do 10 jumping jacks. I'm not going to be able to do that. You can do 10 calf raises or releves is what we call them in dance. You can bounce, you can wiggle like nobody's watching. Just enjoy it. Or if you're seated, if standing isn't an option for you, then you can do the human choo-choo, and I'll walk you through this in the next video. We'll see you soon.